Hello everyone. Today we will be dealing with the structure of an atom. Structure of an atom. Now, what do you mean by an atom? Atom is the smallest fundamental particle of an element which shows the physical as well as the chemical properties of that particular element. An atom is the fundamental particle of an element which shows the physical and chemical properties of that particular element. Now, the word atom was derived from the Greek word atomos. Atomos. The word atom was derived from the Greek word atomos, which means indivisible. Indivisible. Atom. During the early stages towards the finding of structure of atom, they believed that, the scientists believed that atom is the smallest particle of matter which cannot be divided. And that concept was known as Dalton's atomic theory. From that theory onwards, John Dalton proposed that atom cannot be divided into further particles. From that concept, the word atom was derived from the Greek word atomos, which means indivisible. Now we are going into our topic, that means structure of atom. Now, a lot of theories was proposed for explaining the structure of atom. The first one was Dalton's atomic theory. So that was proposed by John Dalton. So Dalton's atomic theory. In Dalton's atomic theory, Dalton proposed that matter consists of smaller particles, fundamental particles known as atom. Now, atom, so the same element shows same physical and chemical properties. Atoms of different elements show different properties. So that was the second postulate by John Dalton. Now, the structure of atom which proposed by John Dalton is atom is a sphere. Atom, he taken atom as a small sphere. He doesn't show the charge of an atom or the particles of an atom. He believed that an atom is a sphere, small sphere which cannot be divided. Moving on to the second theory, we have the J.J. Thomson's model. So that was proposed by J.J. Thomson. So J.J. Thomson's model. In J.J. Thomson's model, he proposed that atom consists of negatively charged electrons embedded inside a positively charged sphere. In a positively charged sphere, electrons, the negatively charged particles, he named as electrons. The negatively charged electrons are embedded uniformly throughout the entire atom so as to maintain the electrical neutrality. That is why electrons are uniformly distributed inside the positively charged sphere. This is J.J. Thomson's model. From this model, we can say that in J.J. Thomson's theory, atom consists of positively charged center and negatively charged centers. So, positively charged is that the atomic sphere, and the negatively charged particles is known as electrons, and they are embedded inside just like a plum pudding or a watermelon. So this model is also known as the plum pudding model or a watermelon model. Moving on to the third model, we have the Rutherford's solar system model of atom. Third one is Rutherford's solar system model of atom. So that theory was proposed by Rutherford. His full name was Ernest Rutherford. So the third one is Rutherford's model. Now, in this model, in an atom, The entire mass of an atom was supposed to be concentrated in the center of an atom, which is known as the nucleus. Which is known as the nucleus. The nucleus of an atom possesses positive charge. In Rutherford's theory, the positively charged nucleus is the center of an atom. The whole mass of the atom was supposed to be concentrated inside the nucleus, and the negatively charged electrons revolve around the nucleus in fixed circular path known as the orbit. What? Those circular paths is known as orbits, along which electrons revolve around the positively charged nucleus. This model resembles that of a solar system in which all planets, the 8 planets, revolve around the sun in fixed path known as the orbit. From that concept, we are taking this concept, and this model is also known as the solar system model. So we have discussed about, at first, the name atom was derived from the Greek word, then what is an atom, then 3 models: Dalton's atomic theory, J. Thomson's model, and Rutherford's model. I hope you understand. Thank you.